Yo, what's up? Good morning. Meron po tayo unit dito, Mazda 323 Pamilya. Ayan. Staka po siya ng 6 na buwan. Susubukan po nating siyang buhayin. Ayan, nagpalit po tayo ng mga kakabit po tayo ng mga bagong pyesa. Water pump. Tsaka gas pump. Ayan. Sabay trouble na lang natin sa wirings kasi di ko sure kung gagana pa to, pero subukan natin. Ayan. Ayan, yung tropa natin naglilinis. Yun na nga, ang Kalikot Works mandar na, nabuhay na natin. 323 Pamilya. 6 na buwan na katambak, sabay kinain ng mga daga yung wirings. Ayan, 5 minutes na. Ito ka na. Nagawa na lang.
I get the sense that you might really love her. This text gon' be evidence. This text is evidence. I try to ration, but you know words are crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect keys. Now I'm in the keys, standing on the beach. Now you laying face down, got me singing over happy. I'm so much sure. I'm so much sure. I'm so much sure. Let me hit that. Next to tell me this is
ayaw na rin. Nag-stack up na. Yan o, Kalikot Works by Boss Kyle. Wala yung tabas na hindi sa gilid yung ayusin natin.